Montego and fiance.
And nobody can date, nobody will like attention that much. You're sick. And you need help, and even you talk it out of your own mouth too. People are going to talk about, say, me, I'm going to get my karma. Me, I'm going to get my karma. Me, I'm going to get this and me, I'm going to get that. How can you get karma for moving on from somebody that is not with you? Obviously, you can hear the girl is not with me. The girl is not with me. Whole time in a relationship with the person I tell you be a lie and not deceive you and play basic games. You know them sit there with people. You don't do that with people. You don't do that with people. It don't work like that. No, they want to say me go get karma because unfortunately, somebody tried to force me into taking material things and I didn't want to take it. And that makes no sense at all to me. It makes no sense at all to me. People on the internet are stupid. They are stupid. If somebody is hurting me, I am not going to always beg them to actually go in a them life and actually involve with them. I'm not going to beg them for in a nothing with them. If somebody actually do me something. And you can see multiple times, even fucking 5 days ago, this person begged me for actually be with me and if it give them an exchange, a 10th next exchange or 30th next exchange. That don't make no sense at all. Because you cannot have your own way with people and you realize, say, you lose in the worstest way and embarrass yourself. You come and try to make it look bad for the person. And I blame people like how you always blame your other ex them because you been do things to them. You always do things to people, but you want people to tolerate your nonsense. You're a big woman, you're nearly 40. You cannot behave like that. You cannot behave like that. You cannot behave like that. And then because people want to see my downfall so bad. Doing good for someone isn't giving them material things. That's all she said she had done. Let me block you off of my page. Yeah, block you off of my page. But you know, hear me I say. No understand the psychological standpoint of what I'm trying to say about this situation. And you people don't understand what I'm trying to say. You do not get what me I try to say. You do not get it at all. When you say do good for somebody, every time you have somebody because you send them money, every time you have somebody because you buy them something, you not try to have a conversation with the person and talk to the person and try to give the person space. You always in at the person, back persistent on the person. And then you come on the internet in everybody comment section. Oh, guys, if you know what she did to me and she did that to me. Oh, she feed me noodles. She feed me noodles while I was in Jamaica. The one little time when time I got a country go look for my grandfather. Oh, she didn't sleep with me in the bed. 2 little nights when time I drop asleep in the sofa. She didn't sleep with me in the bed. She did this to me and she did that to me. You did that to me. And people are going to come and tell me, say, me wicked and karma is a thing. Why you engage to somebody and then I go behind them back and I offer them best friend money while they are around? What you do that for? We are do that for? You're supposed to have it in your head, say, this is the person that I am going to take vows with. That is my best friend. So you literally, they in my car, sit down and I turn on and I push money for my best friend. You don't do stuff like that. You don't do stuff like that. I don't care what you want to say. You're inappropriate. And then people go come tell me, say, me never like this person and them so there. Me never interested in this person. Look how much things me post, but I made it clear I was involved with this person. Me never hide this person. When you don't want people, you hide them. You take them things and hide them. You understand what I say? So because this woman come and sad and ball and she one to one time they come live the first time after she met the fake number and text me. You know what say she never come on the media and say no at all because she knows what she was doing. She knows. She knows. She knows. She knows. So for people say I was using this individual because this individual gave me. Yes, and she's under everybody post trying to defame my character. You're in a one relationship with somebody and you do sneaky stuff. You make fake pages. You do this, you do that. How much can an individual take? How much can a person take? How much? Me and a robot. Me and a robot.